Are you a student or a 9-to-5 worker looking for a legit online side hustle that actually pays? Then stop scrolling, because in this video, I'll show you 3 powerful online jobs you can start in 2025 with little or no experience, jobs that are changing lives and paying real money every single day. Welcome to Earn Smart Nigeria. Here, we help you earn smarter online with proven, free, and beginner-friendly methods. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's dive right in. 1. AI prompt writing jobs, the hidden goldmine. If you've ever used ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, then you already have a skill that can make you money. Prompt writing. Companies, creators, and startups now pay freelancers to write perfect AI prompts that help generate better content, product ideas, or even code. Here's the good news. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to understand how to ask the right questions and structure prompts clearly. Where to find these jobs? Promptbase.com. You can sell your own AI prompts. Fiverr and Upwork. Search ChatGPT prompt writing or AI content prompt. Flow to marketplace, where people pay for high-quality prompt collections. Average pay $25 to $100 per job, depending on complexity. Bonus tip: create your own prompt bundle and sell it on Etsy or Gumroad for passive income. 2. YouTube script research and writing. Faceless channel work. This is one of the fastest growing remote jobs in 2025, and you don't need a YouTube channel to do it. Thousands of faceless YouTube creators are hiring people to research topics, write engaging scripts, and format them for voiceovers. You can specialize in niches like motivation, trends, finance, or documentaries. Where to find clients? Join Facebook groups like YouTube Cash Cow Jobs. Check onlinejobs.ph, Upwork, or Fiverr, or directly pitch small YouTubers in your niche. Average pay $30 to $150 per 1,000-word script. Pro tip: use ChatGPT for structure and add your creativity for storytelling. That's how you stand out and earn repeat clients. 3. AI voiceover and video caption work. No mic needed. If you've ever heard a realistic AI voice on a TikTok or YouTube short, that's a new income stream you can tap into right now. With free tools like Tsmaker, 11 Labs free tier, and Narakit, you can generate professional voiceovers for YouTube videos, podcasts, or social media ads. Pair this with CapCut auto captions or subtitle edit, and you can offer a complete voice plus caption service that creators are paying for every day. Where to get started? Offer voiceover gigs on Fiverr or voices.com. Upload sample videos on TikTok or YouTube Shorts to attract clients. Create and sell full AI narrated videos for channels or small brands. Average pay $20 to $100 per short video. Bonus tip: use Canva and CapCut templates to deliver fast. That's what buyers love. So there you have it. 3 powerful online jobs that are perfect for students and side hustlers in 2025. These aren't random ideas, they're real, fast-growing opportunities people are already earning from right now. Remember, the future of online income isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter using automation, AI, and your creativity. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Earn Smart Nigeria, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss another update. Comment below Earn Smart if you want me to drop a free list of websites where you can find these online jobs today. Thanks for watching, and remember, the smarter you earn, the freer you live.